Ladies and gentlemen, we're doing another unboxing of the Itouch Smartwatch 3360. The Itouch Smartwatch 3360. Supposed to be a smartwatch. It has, I'm looking at the cable now, it has dialer, it has messaging, it has call logs, it has a phone book, it has Bluetooth, it has settings on it. Wow, no, it has settings on it. Camera remote, notifier, calculator, loss alert, music, pedometer, alarm, stopwatch, sedentary reminder, and sleep reminder. This is how it looks right here. I don't know if y'all can really see it. Comes in the box. It got Itouch on it right there. Y'all can see it. It's supported by Android and iOS. That's what it's capable of. I'm turning it all the way around right here. And I just actually bought this right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna open this up. Voila! Open it up now. It comes in like a little thing right there. Got the Bluetooth, the phone, your messenger, and the settings right there. Y'all see that right there? All right. I'm gonna take this off. Right there. It comes with a manual. You can see this right here. The Itouch manual. Which is like, goes all the way up right here. See this right here? The Itouch 3360. And it comes with a standard USB cable and the package right here. And there's nothing else in the box, you can clearly see. The watch feels very comfortable, shall I say. I don't know exactly how it feels on my wrist though, but we shall see, right? That's what the Super Alvin unboxing is all about, so we shall see. See right there? I'm putting it on my wrist. Yeah, it feels comfortable. It's very light, shall I say. I believe they say it does have the, okay, well, let me see. Camera remote. It has a camera remote, so I don't necessarily see like a camera, but it has a camera remote, so we shall see. It does look like it has a mic on it, which means that you can answer the phone calls, right? Oh. But this is the Itouch 3360 unboxing. Check this out. You probably can buy it most places where you can shop online. I would say like try Amazon or eBay or Walmart, something like that. I got mine from City Trend, the local City Trend. All right, y'all have a great day. Make sure you subscribe. All right, like, share, subscribe. I ain't begging for subscribers, but y'all know I'm entertaining. All right, see y'all.